The advances in immuno-oncology in recent years have been absolutely transformational in the way that we're currently treating cancer patients. MSD is currently working very heavily in the immuno-oncology area. The oncology portfolio is very broad. Obviously it's spearheaded with pembrolizumab at the moment, which is the main focus of the research and development efforts. But there's a significant amount of work that's being done on the early stage pipeline.
Our global clinical development plan in oncology is fast-paced, it's intense, it's dynamic, it's changing every moment. And what's great about that is the experience of not just the different trial types, but the different conditions that we're treating, the different options that we're giving to patients. And really it's that element of hope for patients.
It's been really rewarding to see how rapid everything changed from clinical trial to the TGA registration and then later on to the subsidized by the PPAC. So that helped a patient to get access to treatment and for the clinician to have treatment choice for their patients.
One of the biggest current challenges in cancer therapy is getting access to medicines. Our clinical trial programs are key to that. Not only do they provide access and cutting-edge research, but it also provides the data that's needed to actually register these medicines. And in registration, we provide that access.
Australian medical oncologists want to collaborate with MSD because of our rich pipeline, particularly in oncology. It's been recognised globally as one of the leading oncology pipelines around the world.
If you look at the number of collaborations that we have with other companies and organisations around utilising their compounds in combination with pembrolizumab and the number of clinical programs that we have, there's a significant amount of investment going on. So it's a very, very broad therapeutic area at the moment, not just focusing on some specific therapeutic areas, but it's across the whole gamut of cancer.
What people might not be aware of is the breadth of MSD's immuno-oncology program. We've got a number of different immuno-oncology treatments in our early phase trial program under development right now.
In only a few years, MSD Oncology Australia has achieved registration by the TGA for certain type of cancer in melanoma, lung cancer, bladder cancer, classical Hodgkin lymphoma and head and neck cancer.
A huge thank you to everyone that's been involved, and this goes right back to the clinicians who've been involved right from the start, to those involved in the registration trials, those involved in the first time in human, the investigator-sponsored studies. There is no way that we could actually get these drugs to these patients, these Australian patients, without actually having the collaboration and support from the Australian clinical community.
When you work on a trial program as intensive and as vast as the trial program at MSD, we know that it's hard work and a commitment and dedication of those staff and also the staff of MSD that bring those trials to life. To every researcher, it's an absolute pleasure to work with you in bringing these really important immuno-oncology products to patients.